Hello everyone, we are going to install Barkbusters today on the Ducati Desert Sled. Here are all the parts, instructions, and the pit bull, your tricks, and then the Desert Sled. So we'll put them on here. I had the Acer Viz, but I wasn't much of a fan. So, fun fact, when installing Barkbusters or any handguards, this here needs to be moved 15 millimeters inward, so inward. And so I didn't do that on the last one, and I burnt my clutch out. So heads up, 7-Up. Yeah, because this here will bump and not ever fully disengage. So I'm gonna remove this here, and then loosen these bolts here and slide it over 15 millimeters. So that's that. So here she is without Barkbusters. And then we'll get back with the Barkbusters. Okay, parts are all laid out. I'm impressed. Quality's good. Everything's labeled left. Right. Can't screw that up. Right. So, pumped. Good quality, good marksmanship. That makes everything a lot easier too. So I'm going to start the stopwatch, and let's see how long this takes me. Okay, it's been 48 minutes, and I have all the hardware installed here. Now, just to put the plastic covers over, and we'll be good. I also got measure here. So how am I going to do this? It's upside down, but 35.1 in the gap here. So sorry, it's all wonky, but just 35.1 for the gap there. Okay, so you have to do that, if not it won't fit right. See that? Yeah, space. Cool. And it goes on the inside here. Both clamps. And that's a wrap. An hour, 1 minute. So still gotta clean up, but here we go. New Barkbusters on. I think I might leave the windscreen off. So, but anyways. Not bad. You can see the gap now. You can see where the old used to be at. So we moved it over. And pretty cool. Looks nice from behind. Alright, well, let's see how these bad boys work. Hope this was helpful. Take care, everyone. Be safe.